Alright guys, in today's video I'm going to be talking about a new feature in Canva called Canva Docs, and this will allow you to design docs in Canva. As you can see, it says design visual doc. You can drag and drop images, you can input pie charts and bar charts and other design elements, and we're going to take a look at that right now. Now on this account I just kind of had access to it, but you're probably going to have to sign up for it. I'm going to go ahead and jump in here. And the main feature that they seem to be promoting is this magic write tool. I think it's gonna be super cool if you ever have like writer's block. So all you gotta do is click on the plus tool and then come down here to magic write. It's pretty much an AI generated text. Now keep in mind that you only have 25 free queries if you have a free account. I didn't realize that at first, and I was just kind of testing it out a bunch, so I only have 16 left for the month. I believe if you upgrade to Canva Pro it goes from 25 to 75. But anyways, let's go ahead and type something in here. Alright, top 5 digital products to create in Canva: social media graphics, infographics, flyers, posters, and business cards. And it does say it was generated with the AI, and you should probably check it before sharing. You can also do things like add a design, and I believe it's just like a header. In this case, I'm just gonna click on a random one like so, and we're gonna hit save. It's gonna insert this header wherever I just had my cursor. I guess I should be calling it like a banner instead, because you could use different banners to like break up your document. But anyways, you can drag this around if you don't want it to be wherever it was inserted. You can also right click it and go to edit design if you would like to change it. If I just randomly click something else and hit save, those changes are automatically applied. And you can add other things like heading, subheading, body. Embedded seems to be a link, and then there's pie charts, bar charts, bulleted lists. It's even cool they got emojis, which is nice. And you can take your document and you can convert it into a deck. Now it does say like it might not be right because it's still new. Now if you have Canva Pro, I believe you can save your brand in there. I guess we'll go with this one. Create my presentation. So this was the title. Cool. That was, I believe this is the banner. Yeah. And then this is just the AI generated text that I made. Now if you decide you want to try out Canva Pro, I do have an affiliate link in the description, and that will give you 30 days of Canva Pro for free. Anyways guys, if you have any questions about Canva, or if you have any ideas for videos that you want me to cover, please leave me a comment below. And as always, if you made this far, thanks so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!